I want to give you guys a 5-minute mini demo of what RouteElite services are. The first thing is we provide full cycle recruiting services. What that means is we manage the entire life cycle of First Advantage. We manage all of your job advertisings on Indeed.com, ZipRecruiter, Craigslist, Google, and so on. We call applicants within 5 minutes after they've applied for a job, and we call them a total of 17 times before we ever give up on them. And we do that 7 days a week. We hold their hands and we make sure that they fill out First Advantage application properly, and we coordinate with First Advantage to ensure that person becomes an FADV approved individual as quickly as humanly possible. Once the person is ready for training, what we do is, as you can see here, we show you ready for training. If you have multiple companies, we can still show you all of your companies all within the same dashboard. And what you do is you call them, you congratulate them that they have been approved, and you work with them to say, hey, what day do you want to show up to work? They'll tell you a specific date, you choose the date, and you click on activate. Once you click on activate, magically everything happens behind the scene. We automatically start coordinating HR document, W-4, I-9, direct deposit, tax election. We automatically input that person into our scheduling software. We automatically notify them, telling them what day they are supposed to show up to work, where they should show up to work, and whom they should call when they show up to work. We also automatically activate that person, as you can see here, and all of their information is automatically here. You'll see a copy of their driver license, medical examiner certificate, date of birth, address, issued date, expiration date. All of that is just automatically there, and you don't have to lift a finger. When the time comes to run payroll, we've already started tracking that individual. We've tracked their schedule activity. We've tracked their clock in, clock out, DSW, FCC, and everything in between. So we automatically do all of the calculation, and our software automatically calculates daily, hourly, overtime, vehicles over 10,000 pounds, under 10,000 pounds. We calculate per stop, per package, per pickup. We calculate per threshold on a daily basis, on an average basis. Our system is truly remarkable because it's razor sharp focused on us FedEx ground contractors. I am an active contractor myself, as many of you guys know, with about 55 routes on a daily basis. So now every week when you're ready to run payroll, you come in here, you look at all the data, and you make some manual adjustments. And then all you do is you just click on approve and submit, and magically everybody gets paid automatically, direct deposit. Now, what if in a scenario you have a driver that is no longer with you and he has a scanner, and you want to get your scanner back before you process his last paycheck? It's very simple. You click on skip payroll, and 2 weeks later he comes back, he gives you your scanner, you come back in here and you say process as off cycle, and look at this. Magically, the data is automatically here. You don't have to remember anything. You don't have to worry about clock in, clock out, because all of that is just magically there. We automatically have some amazing, remarkable automations that are razor sharp focused on us, but it's not just software. It's a marriage between human beings and the software. So when a person is added to your account or dismissed, everything behind the scene automatically happens. You can send that individual a text message or an email. You can do the same thing for yourself. You can do the same thing for your manager. The system can automatically notify a whole bunch of people, telling them about why somebody's no longer with the company, how many days they were with the company, and so much more. If you provide health insurance, let's say 60 days after someone's been with the company, the system can automatically send them a text message 60 days after they've been with the company, telling them, hey, congratulations, you qualify for health insurance. Here's how to enroll. How amazing is that? There's absolutely no work to be done on your side. Let's say you want to congratulate somebody once they've been with the company for 1 year. So the system automatically sends them a congratulations message every 1 year or every 6 months or every 90 days, however it is that you want to be set up. Our system truly is remarkable in helping you create a great culture without having to be the one that's actually pulling your hair out, having to do all the work. Lastly, let's not forget about our white glove butler, Alfred. We literally have a division where people show up to work 7 days a week on your behalf, and it's literally called the Alfred division. When you become a client, you get a dedicated SMS number and a dedicated email address specific to your company so that you, your partners, your managers can communicate with Alfred directly. So when you have a child support, when you need to reimburse somebody, when you need to give somebody a raise, when there is a copy of a receipt, all you do is you just send it to Alfred. Hey, Alfred, give me a copy of this individual's medical examiner certificate. Send me a copy of this guy's driver license. Send me a copy of this vehicle's insurance document. Update this registration onto VMS. Alfred is here to assist without you having to pay for it, because we are structured to support your operation. Let's talk about pricing. Our pricing is inclusive of absolutely everything. It is truly, truly remarkable. There's no way I could cover everything we do within a 5-minute demo, but it does include unlimited recruiting, unlimited FADV approved drivers. You'll always have a piping hot pipeline of drivers that are FADV approved, because you never know when 2 drivers are going to threaten to quit and you're going to be held hostage by them wanting to quit. Now you don't have to worry about it because you're consistently getting people that are FADV approved automatically. It includes unlimited payroll management, payroll calculation, payroll processing, and it includes unlimited Alfred, our scheduling software, our fleet management software. The list goes on and on and on. But everything that we do is a marriage between software and human, because that's what we, the contractors, desperately need. So here's the pricing. It's $999 per month plus $10 per employee. If that sounds good, we'd love to have your support. Go to RouteElite.com and click on Get Started. If for some of you guys that are watching this and you're like, wow, this is a heavy burden, I cannot afford that, we understand your pain point. Our goal is to reduce the price as fast as humanly possible. When we launched our services, it was $4,000 a month. Our number one objective is to reduce the price of before the end of 2023 down to $499 per month. And with enough support from early adopters, we will be making that happen. So if you are just not able to support us in that initiative just yet, please go to RouteElite.com/price drop, so that we can notify you when the price drops. And it's important for you to register on that, because the number of people that are awaiting allows us to make our calculation to understand when we are able to drop down that price. For any of you guys that want to get a hold of me directly, my email, farjad@routeelite.com, or you can just simply schedule a time on my calendar, RouteElite.com/Farjad. I truly look forward to working with all of you guys.